Hey, what is up, guys? Hey, what is up, guys? It's welcome from the iPhone 7 Max again. Now I'm sick in this weekend, so now I'm back in the helpful at least. So I'm back with my page. So it's long time no see, guys. Long time no see. So I bought this iPhone 7 cable because the early one is ripped off. So I need to buy the 2 meter, but I'm on the budget, so I'm gonna upload to the Instagram. I'm on the budget, but I got a 1 meter iPhone 7. So what this what if like this iPhone 7 is this box? So in this box is official cable. What's the difference between those? Let's check it out. So this is from the iPhone 7 box. Actually, it's both 1 meter, and this named iPhone 7 not only the Apple Lightning to USB cable or USB to Lightning cable, whatever it is, but it is Cycle logo or Cycle cable theming. And now I peel off at the shop because I need to test this cable. This is priceless is 12,000. Yeah. So you got what? Cable and some paperwork. Oh, there's more paper, but I don't care about that. Wait a second. Okay, I got it. So it says sliding to USB cable 1 meter. Okay, now, what it looks like. Wait a minute. Let me focus it. Okay, so it's more bright white than this. So this is a little bit or brown or yellow. This is the pure white as this. See, it's pure white. Not like this. But not on the camera. When you see on your eyes, you will believe it. So if you want to see those, come to my home. Welcome. So this is a little bit more longer than this. See this same cycle cord, but this one cannot go into this like that. That cable. So this is a little bit more cable longer, or yeah. So I'm boxing this because I need another 1 meter cable, because 1 meter cable with the 6S is my sister, so a little bit problem in my home charging. So it is same with the peeling of one. Yes. Okay. It's the same, but in the box, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 7's cable or 7 Plus cable, whatever it is, made by Apple, is more white. So this is, I think, is fake or not. I think it's not fake. Okay. So can I put it? No, because this is spinning like that. Hell nah. So I'm gonna put him back into this. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I made a problem. Nothing is fine, it's spinning the plastic, so... Okay. So, back all of this. Shoot. This accident always happens with this camera talk. So, oh, again. Okay, so let's peel this sticker off. Sorry about the camera movement. So peeling is like that. Oh, shoot. And like that. Oh no, I can't use it anymore. I can't use it back anymore. Sorry. So what the freak? Nah. No. What? Oh, okay. Okay, how to peel this thing off? what the hell? Oh, by the way, I am using back with my old iPhone 6s AirPods, so okay, now I think it is, you should check on my sound. So let's video. Sorry about my sound. Voice. Okay, peel this off, and there you go, 1 meter cable. Yeah, it is not that. It is not that wide. And okay, let me peel and back this away. Okay, I like doing like that. So putting back into his original box. It says original automatic or alternatic. So it says for the iPhone 7. So am I charging with the iPhone 6s, or am I charging? I am charging iPhones. Sorry, camera dock. What the? Okay, I'm charging iPhone 7 with the 6s cable, 2 meter, or yeah, it's made by Apple. The same. Why iPhone 7, bro? Apple. Don't be racist. Okay. So putting back in this and throw away it. That's my walk. And now, wow, I got that 1 meter cable. Wow, this 1 meter cable is nice and thick. Wow, it's more thicker than the iPhone 6s old cable. Wow. Wait, actually is from my iPhone 7 box. Wait, let me check on that. Nope, it's fine. So, it is okay. It's quite long, so but so thick. It's like, wait a minute. I am comparing 2 meter, 1 meter new, and 1 meter old. Compared to the lightning based cable when I got back iPhone 6s. So I got lightning 1 meter back. Oh, so this is 2 meter, but it's so wow, jellyfish. So this is more strong, healthy, or oh yeah, it bends. It bends. So I think it's fake or not. Wow. What the? I think it's probably fake. No, it's too hard to find the error. So the real one is nothing. Okay, so I think it is original. It says the sales store is original, and I believe it. So this is using iPad charger, and now I'm gonna plug in this. Okay. Wait. Oh shoot! Camera dock. And plug it in. And now I am plugged in, and now I shoot camera dock. What the? No. So now I am in with this newest lightning cable. Yeah. So I'm with a new cable, so I don't give a shit. Yeah, I'm not charging. Wow. So okay, now I am with the new lightning cable. So yeah, but there's 1 meter, but I need 2 meters. So now I am using iPad charger. Actually, I don't have iPad. I just have iPhone 6s and iPhone 7, and not a MacBook, just Windows. Okay, but now I'm not an Apple fanboy. You need to know about that. So this is so strong thing. Damn strong. So if there is 1 week or 2 week, 4 weeks, or 1 month, 2 month, or 1 month and a half, it's just jellyfish again. Like 2 meter cable down below, and it's raise it up all the way down. What the? So yeah, I like it 2 meter because it's so long. And shoot, why you always man down like this? So it's useful. See, it's still usable over that one. So I'm charging with this at the night, and when I'm morning, just strike it up and turn off the alarm. So this is my daily work before the school. I hate school. So just okay. Now I am with this new lightning cable. So thanks for watching today's video. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the latest video. Actually, this is the latest video, and now I am not vlogging anymore at my vlog channel. Did you know? Just a minute, I featured in my channel YouTube. Go and watch some vlog, and you maybe don't understand because it's Myanmar language. So sorry about that. I can translate it. I can text it. So it's only edit with this one iMovie. So I don't have Mac. I don't have Hackintosh, the Mac Pros, Mac Mini. I don't have it. So sorry about my song and music voice. Sorry about my language. So thanks for watching today's video again. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and like and follow my Facebook pages, same name as iPhone 7 Max. So see you guys again in this next video. Peace.